Kumar speaking to you elementary operation of a matrix. Any one of the following is called elementary operation or elementary transformation. First, interchanging any two row or interchanging any two column. Example, Ri change to Rj, Rj change to Ij. If ith jth rows are interchanged. For example, R1 change to R3 or R3 change to R1. Get 8, 9, 10, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4. R1 change to R3, R3 change to R1. Same as in column C1 change to C2 and C2 change to C1. Then 3, 6, 7, 2, 5, 8, 4, 7, 10. C1 comes to C2 and C2 comes C1. C1 change to C2 and C2 change to C1. Second column written in first column written in second column. Here first row written in second, third row written in first row. Is called interchanging any two row or column. Second, multiplication of the elements of any row or any column by a non-zero scalar quantity k denoted by Ri multiplied by Kri, Ci multiplied Ci, where k is any scalar quantity. For example, A is a matrix 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6, 8, 9, 2. R2 written as 1y, R2 written as 3R2. Therefore, A is 1, 4, 3. Second row multiply by 3. 3 to 6, 15, 18, 8, 9, 2. Similarly, in column C2 multiply by 1 to C2. That means 1, 2, 8, C2 second column multiply by 2. 8, 10, 18, 3, 6, 2. Here any row or any column multiplied by any constant, non-zero constant, is second rule of elementary transformation method. Third, addition of constant multiplication of any row to the corresponding element of any other row. For example, Ri written in Ri plus Krj. For example, A is a matrix 1, 2, 3, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. R1 is written as R1 plus 2R3. We get 1 plus 2 into 4, 2 plus 3, 2 into 3, 3 plus 2 into 2. R1 1 plus 2 into R3, 2 into 4, 2 plus 2 into 3, 3 plus 2 into 2, 8 6 5 4 3 2 equal to 9 8 7 8 6 5 4 3 2. Here any row is multiplied by constant to adding another row. We get equivalent matrix. This equal to this equal to this. For example, R1 is written as R1 plus 2R3. R1 is adding multiplied by 2 in R3 and adding 1 plus 2 into 4, 2 plus 2 into 3, 3 plus 2 into 2 and so on. Similarly, we can do in column. For example, C3 written as C3 plus 4C1. 1 8 4 2 6 5 C3 3 plus 4 into 1 5 plus 4 into 8 4 plus 2 plus 4 into 4 equal to 1 2 7 8 6 37 4 3 18. Equivalent matrix. Two matrices A and B are said to be equivalent if one can be obtained from the other by applying a finite number of elementary operations on the other. If A and B are equivalent matrices, be written as A equivalent to B. For example, A matrix is 1 2 3 2 3 4 2 0 5 and B is 2 3 8 1 2 6 2 0 10. If we apply elementary operation, A convert into B, then called A equivalent to B. A equal to 1 2 3 2 3 4 2 0 5 R1 interchange into R2 equal to R1 interchange into R2 2 3 4 R2 written as R1 written in R2 2 0 5. Again C3 multiplied 2 C3, we get 2 1 2 3 2 0 8 6 10 equivalent to B. Therefore, A matrix is equivalent to B matrix. Here A matrix 1 2 3 2 3 4 2 0 5. R1 change into R2, R2 change in R1. We get 2 3 4 R2 written in R1, 1 2 3 in R1 written in R2, 2 0 5. Then C3 is multiplied by 2 C3, 2 1 2 3 2 0 4 2 8 3 into 2 6 5 into 2 10. We get result B matrix. Hence A equivalent to B. Invertible matrix. A square matrix A of order n is said to be invertible if there exists a square matrix B of the same order n such that AB equal to BA equal to IN, where IN is unit matrix of order n. For example, A is a matrix of order of 2 into 2, 3, 10, 2, 7. B is a matrix of order of 2 into 2, 7 minus 2 minus 10, 3. On multiplying AB, AB we get unit matrix. Let us multiply and define A 1001 unit matrix 2 order. BA is multiplying get unit matrix. Therefore, AB equal to BA, B equal to I2. Therefore, B is called inverse of A. And therefore B equal to A inverse. Or say A is also called inverse of B. A equal to B inverse. Now solving question using elementary transformation or operation, find the inverse of following matrix if exist. 1, 2, 2 minus 1. Let A equal to 1, 2, 2 minus 1. B apply elementary row transformation to obtain A inverse if exists. Any row or any column of matrix convert 0. All element of any row or any column convert into 0. Inverse does not exist. If inverse exists, for this we start with A equal to IN. A equal to IN. B apply elementary row transformation on matrix A in LHS, convert to unit matrix, then pre-factor of RHS I convert in another matrix B, then becomes I equal to BA. B is called inverse of A. First of all, LHS matrix A, LHS convert in unit matrix. Start with left bottom convert into 0, then diagonal convert 1 1, and in last the right top convert into 0. Here any question we use only row all operation, otherwise only column all operation. Row or column mix in any particular question, inverse does not solve. In particular question, we use only row transformation. R2 convert into R2 minus 2R1. We get 1, 2, 2 minus 2 into 1. Minus 1 minus 2 into 2 equal to 1, 0. 0 minus 2 into 1. 1 minus 2 into 0 into A. R2 convert into R2 minus 2R1. 2 minus 2 into R1 1. Minus 1 minus 2 into 2. 0 minus 2 into R1 1. 1 minus 2 into 0. On solving, we get 1, 2, 0, minus 5. 1 minus 2, 0, 1 into A. Now we convert diagonal 1, 1. R2 divided by minus 5. We get 1, 2, 0 by minus 5, minus 5 bata minus 5 equal to 1, 0, minus 2 bata minus 5, 1 bata minus 5. We get 1, 2, 0, 1 equal to 1, 0, 2 by 5 minus 1 bata 5. Now we convert top and right 0 using second row. R1 तो बोल रहे तो अब आ जाएंगे R1 minus 2R1, 2R2, we get 1 minus 2 into 0, 2 minus 2 into 1, 0, 1 equal to 1 minus 2 into 2 bata 5, 0 minus 2 into minus 1 bata 5, 2 bata 5 minus 1 bata 5 into A equal to 1, 0, 0, 1 equal to 1 bata 5, 2 bata 5, 2 bata 5 minus 1 bata 5 into A. Therefore, A inverse equal to first of all, A convert into I, then I convert in another matrix. This matrix is called inverse. We start bottom or left bottom convert into 0, R2 apply R2 minus 2R1. We get this. Now we convert minus 5 into 1, the minus divided by R2 by minus 5 becomes minus 5, 1. Then to convert into 0, apply R1 minus 2R2. We get left hand side unit matrix, right hand side this matrix is inverse of A.